Hello, what's up? There's the FI bitch again with you in another new video. So as you guys can see, something special. Welcome to FirstLeger. This is really trending, and I was just like, when it was trending, so I was just like very new to this blockchain, and it was just like. I was just trying to just make a video as quick as possible to make something on it, and I have done it. So I have created my first a volume bot on this thing, okay, on a FirstLeger XRPL. So I have created very successfully, and right now like I can pump any token, and like I can get a lot of volume, and I can get a lot of stuffs, get a new buyers. And this blockchain was facing little bit difficulties like since 2 days, because the nodes were actually down. So if you are facing any issue regarding this, so you have to just get this wallet like gem wallet, okay. And all you need to do is just to do like as you guys can see here, right, I'm using like custom RPC. So you can go to the quick node, and you can get like one good RPC from the XRPL, so you won't face any transaction issues. So this video is about a volume bot. So I have created already the volume bot. So as you guys can see here, it's just like I'm gonna turn off this thing and just gonna connect again. So I'll go there, and just this, and my password is done. So it's just done. So it's just as you guys can see here. So I will just cross that, and oh, my kitty is also here. So I just got a lot of cats, sorry guys. So I just opened my bot. As you guys can see here, I'm gonna cross that one, and I'm gonna just do this. Let me go to the configuration first. And as you guys can see, the master wallet I'm not showing because it has my address and my private key. So where you can get it from, actually from a gem wallet, and you just can you guys can just easily just like from here, as you guys can see here, just like do this and show your seed, and you will get your seed, and you can paste here with the seed. And of course, before the activation was around like it was around like 10 XRP. So it was just like too high, but right now they have reduced it to 1, so that's really great. And I have funded each account by 0.6, and the min buy and min trade, and this is the token issuer and token current. This is token currency. This is like, by this thing I'm going to tell you guys that what is this. Actually, I'm going to explain you what is this, okay. And this is the issuer, and like I'm going to explain you once I'm doing on another token, so you will get it. And how many labs, like buy, sell. So as we have like the accounts, generated accounts are 3, as you guys can see here. And that's something like my RPC, and these are the labs. So you guys can use this RPC, like I will just give you, like, you guys can copy from the video, or I will just like paste down in the YouTube description as well. So if somebody is facing any issue with the swapping stuff like that, so they can use this one, and you can get your own from quick node as well, and everything will be good, okay. So these are the labs. So let's say 3 accounts, so like each accounts are going to be buy and sell. This is one cycle, and then again buy and sell. That's going to be a second cycle. So as you guys can see here, so this is the configuration, and right now I'm going to start running the script. So as you guys can see here, it started right now, as I have on this account 2.1. so like one XRP is just like for the activation, and the rest of them is my own XRP where I can use. And I have created the wallets already, because if I create right now, so I have to activate them again, like to spend one more XRP on each wallet. So I have already done these things, so I have created my wallet. So once you type 1, so it's going to give you like a new wallets, and then after that you can activate the accounts, and you can check the balances, and then after that you have to fund them, like fund those accounts. So each accounts are going to be funded by 0.6. And this is the add trust line is just very important, because if you are using like repeatedly on one token, so it's not important, because then you just need like one time trust line. You have to do like only one time. Okay, and if you are doing on a multiple one, let's say if you are going with a new one, so then again you have to use this one. So you have to add a trust line, and I'm going to do in front of you guys as well. And then after that you have to start like sending like the volume. Okay, and you can just like let's say if you are fed up and everything, you want to move from all the three accounts that the one you have funded, so you can send them to your master account, which is this one, and which is here in a master wallet. As you guys can see, it's here, but I'm not going to show because it has my set. And that account was just I have done it with the 10 XRP I have activated. So right now it's just really good. But right now let's go and let's run the bot. Okay, so right now we are not going with this token because this is already like the token. Okay, so I was just testing on, but right now we are going with something new, so you guys can see, yeah, this motherfucker is doing something on you. So okay, so right now we have to go to the new pairs, click the new pairs. Look at the volume, like 24 volume is so drop, man. It's just like, just because people are not understanding the thing that they're using like a wrong RPC, which is the public RPC from the XRPL. So that's why a lot of bots are facing issues. So you guys can get a very good RPC if you are using like directly. So you guys can just get this wallet and just put it here, and then it's gonna work for you. And for the volume bot, I already set up this thing, so as you guys can see here. And so for me, like, there is no such an issue, okay, as other people are facing. So okay, so I'm gonna just get like a very dead token. So we will just get this one. So I hope there is just like you guys can see here, 1 minute, 5 minutes ago, 7 minutes ago. So I'm just gonna copy this. Okay, so just copy here, because you don't need to do it from here, because there is just a little bit like all the decimals are it's all the alphabets are smaller one. So you have to just do it like this, and like from here it's just like you have to copy the issuer. So once you do this, so you have to paste in here. Okay, and then like you need like a currency, so it's just fetching like it's a hex. So it's just like a currency name and all those things. So it's just like directly decrypted, so it's not a big deal. So I'm gonna paste it here, and let's do it. Okay, so done. So right now I'm going to restart the bot, and I'm going to start the bot again. Okay, and right now let's check the balances of all the three accounts I have created. So as you guys can see here, I have all these balances on those accounts, what I have actually funded. And right now I don't need the fourth one. I don't want to like spend 0.6 because it's already funded. So all I need to do is to add trust line, as I told you that I'm gonna do for the new one. So I'm gonna click 5, and let's do it. So yeah, that's wallet number 1. And just a little bit time, and then second is just taking a little bit time, so no problem, it's gonna be done. So right now let's see. Okay, so the third one, and then after that, like, we are going to do the trade. So it's almost all of them are done. Okay, so as you guys can see here, right now this baby is going to the moon. Right now 3 minutes ago, the last transaction. And I'm gonna just like type 6. So let's do it. Okay, so it started right now, picking trades, as you guys can see here. Transaction 1 done, and now it's happening. So it's just like now all these transactions will come here. So as you guys can see here, 20 seconds. Each account has like a 5-second delay. So like each buy and sell is 5-second delay. You can change it. I'm going to provide you the setups here. So just like you guys can just change it anytime. So you can keep it on 0 second, you can keep it on 10 seconds, it's up to you. So right now it's happening, as you guys can see here. Like all those are the similar accounts. Look at this, it's happening right now. So let's wait. And again it's buying. So this thing is working right now very well, and because I'm a DeFi bitch, so I'm always the first who is going to create such a tools like that. So the next one is going to be the bundler. I'm going to create a bundler after this, and then everything will be all right. So that's not me, that's someone else, I guess. So after that I'm going to create a bundler, and where you can just actually just create a token and snap them, and just you can do whatever you want. As you guys saw my move fun thing, so it will be similar. So right now it's again just doing all these things because it was 2 laps, so it's doing so 1 and 2. So it's just the last one, so the last one is happening. If it's 2, so it's it's gonna do it for 3 times. So just let's see. Okay, so once this is finished, as you guys can see here, all the transactions are happening. As you guys can see here, all of the transactions are happened. Okay, so as you can see here, so all of them are happened, just the last transaction and gonna come right now. It's just like from here it's done, and yeah, it's done. So it's just 1, 2 and 3. So it's done, and it was completely new token, as you guys can see here. Like 18 hours ago it was launched, and these motherfuckers might be thinking that where he actually doing all these transactions. So I have explained how you are going to just get rid of like congestion mode. So as you guys can see here, like they are getting some new buyers as well right now. So right now this token is just a bit pumping, so it's getting a lot buys right now. So maybe you guys will see like more buys as well, like after this video. So this script is not a free script, okay? This is not a free script, it's a completely paid script, okay? And if you need it, so just let me know, and I'm gonna provide it to you. And if you need any support, or if you need any customization in this script, so I'm going to do it for you. And thank you so much for watching the video and my content, because I'm getting a lot of subscribers and I'm really happy. So I'm just trying to get like 1000 subscriber by the next 2 weeks. So please support me, guys, if you are watching, and subscribe my channel. And this is not a financial advice. Thank you so much. Bye bye.